got our drape put on the sign. So we draped it up over the sides. It's coming down each side. And now we've started. The first thing you want to do is you want to start by lacing the bottom up. This keeps both sides pulled down around the sign. That way you can have a nice secure attachment at the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take our rope. What we've been doing is we call these jukes. We want them snug but not too tight so as to not pull out the grommets. We go in, out, we tie our juke. And then we cinch down on the juke and pull this tight. The same thing can be accomplished with zip ties. You also can use really any kind of knot that cinches down. Some people like to use ratchet straps, but we suggest being very careful with the ratchet strap because the ratchet is easy to pull too tight and you can potentially pull these grommets out of the cover. You don't necessarily need to do every single grommet that's there, but we recommend going at least every other one. So I'm going to pull this one tight.